Hi, my name's Bill, and this is how I do it. Today I'm back working on my 1999 Honda Accord, the 2.3 four-cylinder, four-banger. And today what I'm having an issue with, well, it let me down the other night. Had a crank but no start situation, had to get it towed home. While I'm trying to figure out what's going on here, if we got a crank, no start, that means we checking for fuel, air, and spark. Okay, first thing I'm gonna check for is spark. I'm not gonna do it on camera because I already done it, but it has spark. It has air, fuel, the air filter's not clogged up or anything like that. So that's working fine. And it runs on starter fluid. Spray starter fluid in there, it'll run for a quick second. But it will not keep running. So I'm thinking that I have a fuel issue. All right, turn on my key, my fuel pump initiates, and you can hear it for a couple of seconds, just like it's supposed to do. I checked for fuel up until this point here. Fuel came squirting out, fine. Fuel came out on the pulsation damper right here, fine. So right now, what I want to do now is check my injectors. As you can see, I do have fuel coming out of the injectors, so I thought everything was okay. No, it wasn't. That's the initial blast of gas. It's supposed to hold, but check it out when I turn it over. Nothing, man. That thing has no fuel pressure. I had absolutely no fuel pressure, but don't worry, I got a trick up my sleeve. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change out the fuel pump. This is the fuel pump that I went with. It's an El Cheapo from Amazon, but it's going to get the job done. It comes with everything you need for it. It comes with the fuel lever. It comes with the sock. It doesn't come with the connections, as you will see in a second. It comes with the seal. It also comes with 10 new screws that you put on the tank. So it comes with everything you need, really. All right. First thing I gotta do, these 3 screws out. Holding on to the cover. Alright. Like these. Put these out. Got the main cover off. Then there's a connector. I don't know if you can see it. Connected to the fuel pump up top. Take that. Gonna put that out of the way. All right, now we're down here with the fuel lines. And not too hard to get off. And kind of just pull off. Got a little fuel in it. I ain't too worried about that though. It ain't much. And this one the same way. Squeeze that. And then just pull off. Now I'm just go ahead and take off, I think it's 10 of them. I might be mistaken, but they just go all the way around. That's a ground right there. Two, four, six, eight. All right, now this thing ready to come up out of here. the lines to the side. Alright. Oh, that tank looks rough. Probably why it stopped up. Alright, so I'm gonna take off these connectors here, so I can get them on my new one. Right here, I'm putting on the seal around the on top of the fuel pump where the screws go. It makes a real great seal and also helps line up the unit to the tank. This would have been a lot simpler if I could have just got this in the frame when I was putting the seal on. But what you do is you take this seal, put it around the top of the fuel pump, and it's a metal bracket that goes on top of that seal, and then you can install it. Oh. Let's put these bad boys in here. There's a very important ground fitting right here. It goes right around that screw. Don't forget that. Alright. Alright, it's in there. Let's see what kind of fuel pressure we got. And look at it, it's holding now. Look at that. Look at that. It's holding. It's gonna crank up. Look at that. Look at that. Fuel pump the whole time. Now I'm getting about 55 PSI, right where it's supposed to be at. So this whole time, all this had happened, man, I had a weak fuel pump. The fuel pump was initializing, giving that that first 2 or 3 seconds of running when you first turn the key over, but it was weak. It wasn't enough pressure, and it wasn't holding pressure. So this whole time, it was the fuel pump in disguise, incognito style at me. But we got it figured out with the proper gauging. And also, my gauge works perfectly. So, car's crunk, running, it's what it is.
Hey, sorry. Let's hear it.
Say thank you for subscribing.
Thank you, Sky. Okay, let's hear it.